In the vast cosmos of technological advancement, a new star has emerged. It's called GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer. This AI marvel is not just a fleeting phenomenon, it's a game changer. GPT is reshaping our world, one interaction at a time. It's like having a digital Einstein in your pocket ready to assist at a moment's notice. But what exactly is GPT? Think of it as a super smart computer program. It can understand and generate human-like text. It's been trained on a massive amount of data. This allows it to engage in conversations, answer questions, and even create content. It's not just responding with pre-programmed answers, it's thinking in its own unique way. GPT is a tool, and like any tool, its power lies in how we use it. So let's dive in and explore how GPT is transforming our world. GPT is more than just another tech buzzword. It's a revolutionary leap in artificial intelligence. At its core, GPT is a language model, but calling it just that is like calling the sun a light bulb. It's technically true, but it doesn't capture the magnitude of what it really is. So, how does GPT work? It's all about patterns. GPT has been trained on vast amounts of text data. It's learned to recognize patterns in language. When you input a prompt, GPT doesn't just look up pre-written responses. Instead, it generates new text based on the patterns it's learned. It's like having a conversation with the collective knowledge of the internet. GPT can grasp nuances in language that previous AI models couldn't. It can understand jokes, detect sarcasm, and even grasp complex metaphors. GPT is not just changing how we interact with technology, it's changing how we interact with the world around us. Education is undergoing a cosmic shift, and GPT is at the helm. It's not just about automating grading or providing online courses. GPT is revolutionizing the very nature of learning. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7, ready to explain complex concepts in ways tailored to each student's understanding. Imagine a student struggling with algebra. Traditional methods might leave them frustrated, but with GPT, they can engage in a dialogue. They can ask questions, get explanations, and even see step-by-step solutions. GPT can adapt its teaching style based on the student's responses. It's patient, never gets tired, and can explain the same concept in countless different ways until it clicks. GPT's role in education goes beyond just explaining concepts. It's helping students develop critical thinking skills by engaging them in Socratic dialogues. GPT is also breaking down language barriers in education, translating complex academic texts in real time. With GPT, a student in rural India can access and understand cutting-edge research from top universities around the world. GPT is not just for the classroom or the office. It's weaving itself into the fabric of our daily lives. From the moment we wake up to when we go to sleep, GPT is there, quietly revolutionizing our routines. It's like having a digital assistant that knows you better than you know yourself. Let's start with the morning routine. GPT-powered smart home devices can learn your preferences. They adjust your alarm based on your sleep patterns. They can brief you on the day's weather and news, tailored to your interests. As you sip your coffee, GPT can help plan your day, suggesting the most efficient route to work based on real-time traffic data. At work, GPT is a game changer. It's not just about automating repetitive tasks. GPT can help brainstorm ideas, draft emails, and even write code. Planning a vacation? GPT can suggest itineraries based on your preferences and budget. The mundane becomes extraordinary with GPT by your side. Section 5. Leveraging GPT for personal growth. GPT isn't just a tool for work or education, it's a catalyst for personal growth. Think of it as a personal trainer for your mind. It's always there, ready to challenge and inspire you. Use GPT as a learning companion. Learn a new language, improve writing, or practice public speaking. With GPT, personal growth becomes a journey of discovery. Section 6. Launching your AI journey, first steps. Embarking on your AI journey with GPT might seem daunting, but remember, every cosmic voyage begins with a single step. The key is to start small and gradually expand your horizons. Think of it as learning to walk before you run, or in this case, learning to float before you navigate the AI cosmos. Your first step? Familiarize yourself with GPT interfaces. Many companies offer user-friendly platforms that allow you to interact with GPT. Start by asking simple questions. See how it responds. Experiment with different types of prompts. It's like learning a new language. The more you practice, the more fluent you become in speaking GPT. Once you're comfortable with basic interactions, start exploring GPT's capabilities in your areas of interest. The key is to find applications that are relevant to your life and work. Section 7. The benefits of embracing GPT. Embracing GPT is like discovering a new law of physics. It doesn't just change what we know, it changes what's possible. The benefits of integrating GPT into our lives are as vast as the cosmos itself. Let's explore some of these stellar advantages. First and foremost, GPT is a time saver. It can automate routine tasks, freeing up your mental energy for more creative and complex problems. Need to draft a series of emails? GPT can help. Want to summarize a long article? GPT's got you covered. It's like having a tireless assistant, always ready to tackle the mundane so you can focus on what truly matters. But GPT isn't just about efficiency. It's a creativity booster. By providing instant access to vast amounts of information and generating novel ideas, GPT can spark innovation. It's democratizing knowledge and skills in a way that was unimaginable just a few years ago. Section 8. Navigating challenges in the AI landscape. Like any cosmic frontier, the world of GPT and AI comes with its own set of challenges. It's important to approach these hurdles not as roadblocks, but as opportunities for growth and improvement. After all, every great scientific advancement has faced skepticism and obstacles. One of the primary challenges is the potential for misinformation. GPT generates responses based on patterns in its training data, which can sometimes lead to inaccuracies. It's crucial to remember that while GPT is incredibly knowledgeable, it's not infallible. Always verify important information from reliable sources. Think of GPT as a starting point for research, not the final word. Privacy concerns are another significant challenge in the AI landscape. As GPT becomes more integrated into our lives, questions arise about data security and personal information. It's important to be mindful of what information you share with AI systems. Use reputable platforms with strong privacy policies. Section 9. Real-life success stories with GPT. The impact of GPT isn't just theoretical, it's making real, tangible differences in people's lives. Let's explore some success stories that showcase the transformative power of this technology. Meet Sarah, a small business owner who struggled with customer service. She implemented a GPT-powered chatbot on her website. The result? Customer inquiries were answered 24/7. Response times dropped from hours to seconds, and customer satisfaction skyrocketed. Sarah's business grew by 30% in 6 months. Then there's Alex, a student with dyslexia. Traditional learning methods left him frustrated and falling behind. But with GPT-powered educational tools, Alex found a patient, adaptive learning companion. The AI could explain concepts in various ways until Alex understood. Alex's grades improved, and more importantly, his confidence soared. Consider Dr. Lee, a researcher studying rare diseases. GPT helped her analyze vast amounts of medical literature, identifying patterns and connections humans might miss. Section 10. The future of GPT, possibilities and predictions. The future of GPT shimmers with endless possibilities. It's like standing at the edge of a new frontier. One exciting possibility is the integration of GPT with other emerging technologies. Imagine GPT combined with augmented reality. Your smart home could anticipate your needs. Future versions of GPT could analyze medical images and assist in diagnoses. Section 11. Conclusion. Embracing the AI-powered future. As we conclude our cosmic journey through the world of GPT, one thing becomes clear. We're standing at the dawn of a new era. GPT isn't just a technological advancement, it's a paradigm shift in how we interact with information, with each other, and with the world around us. It's as transformative as the invention of the printing press or the internet. But like any powerful tool, GPT's true value lies in how we use it. It's not about replacing human intelligence, but augmenting it. It's about freeing our minds from mundane tasks so we can focus on what truly matters: creativity, innovation, and human connection. GPT is not the destination. It's the rocket fuel for our journey into a brighter future. As we move forward, it's crucial to approach GPT and AI with both enthusiasm and responsibility. We must be curious explorers, eager to discover new possibilities, and ethical stewards, ensuring that this technology serves the greater good.